My name is Cornia Bapari and I am an ex-student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School who has called this place her home for more than 13 years now, right from the age of 4 till I took my ICSE in 2013. Currently, I am pursuing my Masters in Aerospace Propulsion from Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, that is IIT Bombay. Whatever little I have achieved in life, my school has a huge role to play in it. I still follow my school's motto, aiming for the best in every aspect of life. On the eve of celebration of Silver Jubilee, I feel extremely proud to say that my school has again been awarded the Telegraph School Awards for Excellence in Eco-Friendly Initiative. I remember receiving the same award years ago, along with Principal Ma'am, Sir, and my fellow schoolmates. I have been blessed to grow up among such greenery, and having spent my childhood so close to nature, I express my heartfelt gratitude to my school, to my compassionate teachers, to Principal Ma'am and Sir for shaping me into the human being I am today, giving me lifelong friends and memories that I can cherish forever. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Aman Kar. I graduated from Assembly of Angels in 2013. After that, I finished my higher studies and I came to America in 2015 to do my undergraduate degree. Now, I live in the city of Atlanta, which is in the state of Georgia, and I'm doing my master's in astronomy at the Georgia State University. Last year, I had the chance of flying back to India and visiting my school, Assembly of Angels, in 6 long years. I had a flood of flashbacks as soon as I walked to campus, and it was one of the best feelings I've ever had. The goosebumps I got, just having memories flash in front of you, that was just amazing. I remember how I would get food at a little canteen during lunch break. I remembered going to the Touch Me Not plants in front of the front office and just playing around. And the best one was the playground where I used to play football all the time. These memories were one of the things that I can't never forget. I remember joining Assembly when I was in upper nursery, and almost all my personality traits, my core beliefs, has been shaped pretty much since the school. The basic discipline you get from the school it goes a long ways. Respecting the teachers goes a long ways. These are the few things that I learned from my founder and our principal. I remember the teachers were really supportive, and they would always tell me whatever things I needed to know. They would answer all my questions. They would guide me on things, on questions and problems I would get stuck with. They would suggest me ideas on stuff in the future that I might need. Pretty much they were there for me whenever I needed them. And that's something I'm deeply, deeply thankful for, and they have my gratitude forever. I remember one of my teachers, when she appointed me to be the captain of the Red House, I was so nervous because I didn't know if I could do it, but she came and told me that she believed in me and she thought I could do it. And pretty much ever since then, I have gotten a lot of confidence in myself and just doing the things I wanted to do. So I just have enormous amount of memories that I can go through. But what I really want to do is thank the school and congratulate on the 25 years anniversary. And I'm so delighted that I could be part of this institution. And finally, just like anybody else who's currently at the school, I also want to say that I am still a proud angel. Thank you.
I would like to congratulate Zaki sir, Saira ma'am, all the teachers and every other person who played an integral part in this journey of our school. This school has given me a lot. The guidance I have got from all the teachers, the support and encouragement I got from them all the time in every aspect, be it in studies or other extracurricular activities, has helped in the holistic development of myself. The first thing which put me in awe of the school when I took admission here in class 2 was the greenery. The variety of trees which surrounded the school made us feel at peace and realize the importance of nature. I really miss the school days a lot. Every year we used to wait for the Children's Day, where our teachers used to perform for us, and at last the celebration used to end with a delicious biryani treat. During this COVID time, the way the school has transformed itself digitally and is continuing to impart education to the students. Hats off to the teachers and the administration who adapted with the online system of education so quickly.
My son is a pass out from this institution and he is practicing lawyer of Calcutta High Court at present. The school during the last 25 years has produced bonanza of doctors, engineers, filmmakers, executives and other luminaries in different spheres of life. The teachers here inculcate and instill a strong sense of discipline and morality among the students apart from helping them in attaining academic excellence. The students here take lessons amidst the nature in natural environment. To me, it is really an ashram rather than a formal school or educational institution. I think that the school will leave a landmark in the educational map of the country. Thank you.
Whatever little I am today, it's because of my school. It's because of all the teachers who acted as the guiding force in my life. I consider them to be the lighthouse, the anchor of my life, because I would always be indebted to them for all the values, discipline, sense of empathy that they have inculcated in me, and I believe they have always helped me to become a better person each passing day. I miss my school. I miss sitting on the benches. I miss playing cricket on the field. I miss sports day. I miss everything about my school. My school has always given me that opportunity to show and to be confident enough to take part in all the competitions and try and excel. The school is always the base which gives you the confidence, which makes you realize that what you are capable of or what you want to be good at. And Assembly of Angels has always been my base and my roots.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritika Gangopadhyay. I am an ex-student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School. For me, it's an emotion. It's a total family where the standing pillars are Zaki sir, Principal ma'am, then Saika ma'am, all the teachers, even all the mashis, everyone. Whenever I felt bad, whenever I felt very down, I just used to go to the school and I just used to get cheered up. From just being a commander who was totally immature, who had no experience, from that to being the school captain, then the president of the Interact Club. This was a long journey. Behind this story, there are many teachers, starting from Anjushri ma'am, the greatest supporter of mine every time. She's my favorite. Shushmita ma'am, then Shumitra sir, then Prachita ma'am, Mononti ma'am, Rudra sir, Ishita ma'am, even Shuporna ma'am also. Thank you to the entire family of Assembly of Angels Secondary School, and yes, I will always be a part of this school. Thank you.
I am Ankita Patsa from 2K16 pass out batch of Assembly of Angels. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree from Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, Bhubaneswar. I have been the topper of my school, scoring 97.4% in 2016. Assembly of Angels is the best chapter of my life till date. The love, the care, the environment which I have received here could not be compared with anything else. Our teachers work hard to give us the best out of everything.
Hello everyone, I'm Ahili Banerjee. I passed my ICSE in the year 2011 from this institution, that is Assembly of Angels Secondary School, and I've then pursued my career in dentistry. I've completed my undergraduation in the year 2017 and currently I am a postgraduate trainee in the Department of Pediatric Dentistry and simultaneously doing my private practice. It always seems like a second home, and I consider myself to be blessed enough to be a part of this institution because not only it has wonderful faculty whom we can consider as our role models, father figures, rather parent figures, but also the management and the students whom I consider my friends, seniors and juniors. All of them have been awesome all throughout. Talking about my teachers, whatever I say will be less, because they, as I've already mentioned, that they have not only guided our path in pursuing a good career, but also they have inculcated among us the feeling of responsibility, kindness, how to be humble and be confident at the same time. They have always boosted us like to do something better, and always have extracted the best from us.
Hello everyone, myself Anna Mehmet, a second year MBBS student from Deccan College of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad. I feel really proud to say that I have been a student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School since my nursery till class 10, which has been a beautiful journey, the memories of which I will always cherish throughout my life. The environment of the school and the teachers are just amazing. The school not only focuses on the subjective knowledge but also on the physical and social development of the students more. The school has really helped me in becoming what I am today. Some of the affectionate and dedicated teachers who will always have a place in my heart are Shumitra sir, Susmita ma'am, Meena ma'am, Ishita ma'am, Banali ma'am, Jayashri ma'am, Goswami ma'am, Shunali ma'am, Anjushri ma'am, Suparna ma'am, Archana ma'am, Ram sir, and the names wouldn't end. They played a major and prime role in shaping our lives and career. Finally, I would like to congratulate Mr. and Mrs. Zaki sir and ma'am for the glorious Silver Jubilee anniversary of Assembly of Angels Secondary School. You both always were and will be a true inspiration. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Madhurima Mukherjee and I am currently a third year MBBS student of Archikar Medical College and Hospital, Kolkata. I was the topper of 2015 ICSE batch of Assembly of Angels Secondary School. So today I'm going to talk about how the school helped me to strengthen my foundation and helped me with my overall personal development. So I joined the school in 2011 when I was in class 7. Being an outsider, I was very worried about the acceptability of my peers and my teachers. But my teachers were very supportive and very friendly. And so were my peers. There were certain teachers like Shuparna ma'am and Shomitra sir who strengthened my foundation in maths and science. They encouraged me and motivated me to improve my score and score better every time. Lastly, I want to thank my teachers because whatever they taught me were enough to score a good percentage in the ICSE. I will forever owe to them for the best quality of education they provided me and for guiding me to a better future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Malab Roy and I am an alumnus of Assembly of Angels Secondary School. I have been a part of this school for 13 long years, which were the best years of my life. The school is my root, from where I have learned all the basics. Every year the school arranges for a picnic as well as a reunion for the alumni. The school authority is also very much active on social grounds. They always stand beside old age and orphanage homes and help them throughout. They also extend their support to the missionaries of charity. They even help the poor, both in their education as well as their day-to-day life. At last, I just want to thank my school for everything it has provided to us. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Elena Banerjee. I am currently pursuing my MBBS degree from Murshidabad Medical College and Hospital. I was a student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School for a long 13 years of my life, from lower nursery up till class 10. It has been a wonderful journey throughout. I cherish each and every moment of my school life. This school has really helped me a lot to become who I am today. Apart from subjective knowledge, this school gives importance to our physical as well as our social development. It aims in taking out the best in every student. The faculties here is a godsend as they act like our second parents and make the school our second home. Each and every faculty puts in a lot of efforts for the betterment of each individual student. The positive atmosphere in our school and the positive aura which we get from our faculties inspires us to study harder. I remember throughout the year we used to have drawing competitions, Hindi, Bengali, English, elocutions, quizzes and a lot more. The quality of education this school delivers is wonderful and the way the faculties teach is amazing. This school also believes in doing a lot of social and charity work. When we were students, we used to donate our old clothes to the needy and the underprivileged children. This school has really helped in building our character which we are carrying forward. I have always loved attending school, always. I still feel nostalgic whenever I think about my school. I am grateful to my school for being a pillar of strength in my life. Everything that I learned there will always be in my mind and my heart forever. I am proud to be a student of Assembly of Angels Secondary School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Arindam Ghoshal, ICC batch 2012. I have completed my engineering with electronics and communication from Techno India Salt Lake. Currently I am related to media and TV industry. I am a professional MC, anchor, VJ and a live show artist.
As sir insisted sharing few snippets of my achievement, this is from the reality show Dadagiri Unlimited Season 4 which I won, hosted by Saurav Ganguly. This is the biggest and the most popular quiz reality show of the entire Eastern India, where I represented North 24 Parganas and donated 10 lakh rupees for the welfare of the underprivileged society. And this is the really most special picture, the most precious picture of 2020, as this is with respected sir and ma'am from this year reunion. And here are few more pictures from my day-to-day work which I do. This is from the Femina magazine which covered me and my work, and this is a really special picture from the first day at school, lower nursery.
Now when it comes to my experience, well, where to start from? As you all know, I have done my engineering and then pursued my passion and dream. And even here my school plays an important and integral role, because assembly not only focuses on having the brilliant stellar academic performance but also focuses on extracurricular activities as well. I have participated in lots and lots of extracurricular activities, be it from national level quiz show, be it from sports event, music classes to drama classes, elocution to creative writing, from a Macmillan test to TTIS challenge. We have done it all. And also here teacher believes that in each and every child has their own special ability. Every child is special in their own way, and which also gave me the confidence to dream about the passion of my life. My school made sure that we learn the value of life and its little moments. As much we learn from our books. While we visited old age homes, while we donated papers, clothes and foods for the needy, unknowingly we learned the most important lessons of life, which is most crucial in the later life, which I realize now. Even when we now get back to school, this year we had our reunion, we were welcomed with love and warmest hug, just like the old days. And even now, after so many years, our teacher not only remember us by our names, but also by all our adventure, misadventures and all the little memories we made with them.
Hello everyone, I am Jhilam Basu, ICC batch 2013. Currently studying as a final year medical student at Calcutta National Medical College and Hospital. Today I am here to talk about my school, Assembly of Angels Secondary School. I joined in the second standard, and since then this place has been more like a second home to me rather than just a school. I formed such beautiful bonds with my teachers here that I cherish even today. Teachers who became more like friends with every passing year. Even today, whenever I go back, I am welcomed with blessings and warm hugs. Back in school, there was never a day when my questions went unanswered. And trust me when I say this, I had tons of them. I remember sir and ma'am never getting irritated while solving my million doubts. The patience that they showed with me is something that I try to practice in my daily life. We learnt on the playground as much as we learnt in the classrooms. I remember we used to compete amongst ourselves to answer questions in the class. Such was the enthusiasm. From watering plants to visiting old age homes, from collecting old newspapers to collecting for the underprivileged, it was well ensured that we learnt about life as much as we learnt from the textbooks. I have memories in every nook and cranny. The early morning assembly, the multitude of trees, the 0-hour practice for the upcoming Teachers' Day event, the blackboard that became my creative outlet, that desk that bears my last signature. I miss them all. Truly, school years were some of the best years of my life. And I am deeply grateful for playing such a huge role in making me into who I am.